Hi everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. For today's recipe, I'm showing you guys this amazing lemon pasta with this amazing garlic butter lobster tail. So good. But before I show you guys how it's done, if you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe, like this video if you enjoy, and let's jump right in. Okay guys, here are the ingredients you will need for today's recipe. I am going to be leaving everything below for you guys, so please don't forget to check the description box. You will need garlic, dry pepper flakes, Parmesan cheese, fresh basil, unsalted butter, olive oil, and to season your lobster tail, you will need Slap Your Mama seasoning with some lemon pepper. And also here's my lobster tail. You will need your pasta. I'm using spaghetti, thin spaghetti. You can use whatever pasta you like. Also, you will need some hot water. So I'm using this to boil my water. Just have that on the side. I'll show you guys what to do with it later. To get started, I am going to be remove the legs of the lobster, and also I'll be cutting the shell as well. That way I can be able to remove the lobster meat out. And make sure to use a sharp kitchen shears for this task because it can be very difficult using a dull knife. So I'm going to remove the flesh by sticking my 2 fingers underneath the meat and then bring it up. Now you have your lobster meat nice and ready. I'm going to give that a quick rinse, then pat it dry and get ready to season. To season it, very simple. I'm going to drizzle some olive oil on there and mix my lemon pepper with the Slap Your Mama seasoning. And then you're going to generously season the lobster tail. And don't forget the back, because a lot of you guys probably, I used to be one of those type of people where I don't season the back of my lobster tail. You've been watching my channel too many times for you to not know to season the back of your lobster tail. Come on now. So now I'm going to bake this for about 15 minutes on 350. While that is baking, we're going to move on. Okay, so to this small bowl, I am going to grate my lemon. I am only using the yellow part of the lemon, not the white part, as that can make your dish a little bit bitter. Okay. Now I'm going to take those same lemons and squeeze the juice out. Yes, I am doing it the old-fashioned way, but it's fine, okay? Now that I have the lemon juice as well as the lemon zest, I am ready to cook. To a hot skillet, I am going to pour the olive oil as well as the butter. I am going to allow that to melt for a little bit. Then I am going to add the garlic. We're going to cook the garlic until fragrant. Now I'm going to add my dry pepper flakes in there. Give that a quick stir to release all of that pepper flaky flavor. I'm kidding guys, to make it spicy a little bit. And then I'm going to dump my spaghetti in there. Just place your spaghetti in there, and remember the hot water that I told you guys to save. Yes, now it's the time to use your hot water, baby. Bring that hot water, just pour it all over your spaghetti. And where is the hot water? Come on now. Yeah, we're going to pour that in. Of course, the measurement will be below. Okay, look at that sizzling. I love the smell of this dish. Once I'm done adding the water, I'm going in with my lemon juice. Yes, this is going to be a very similar to like a shrimp scampi, but not really. Of course, you can make this dish with shrimp, but I decided to do it with lobster. Why not? And once I'm done, I am going to add my lemon zest in there. Now you can add some other seasoning in there while it's boiling. However, I want to keep it as authentic. Not really. I am going to add some salt and pepper, and I'm going to cover it, allow it to simmer on low. That way the spaghetti can cook. Obviously, you can cook your spaghetti prior to cooking this, but this is the authentic way of making this lemon pasta. As you guys can see, my lobster tail is ready by now. I went ahead and melt some butter with a little bit of garlic powder in there and just brush it on top of the lobster tail. And basically that is the dish. So good. As you guys can see, so beautiful. It's giving restaurant quality. It's giving chef kiss. It's so delicious. Hope you enjoy. Thank you so much for watching today's video, guys. Don't forget to like the video if you enjoy it. That helps me know what type of content I need to post so you guys can enjoy watching it. Also, give this a try with your family and come back and let me know. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new here. I'll see you guys on the next recipe. Bye, guys.